If you want to get results with digital marketing, you must have an effective digital marketing strategy. Developing an effective digital marketing strategy sets you on the right path to success. Hello everyone, I'm Obinna, a digital marketing consultant with over 5 years of experience helping brands to achieve results with digital marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to develop an effective digital marketing strategy. What is a digital marketing strategy? A digital marketing strategy is your plan of action to achieve your business goals through digital marketing channels. For example, if your business wants to increase sales by 20% in the next quarter, so your digital marketing strategy should be focused on how to increase sales by 20% in the next quarter using digital marketing channels. It's very clear now. So let me show you the step-by-step of how to develop an effective digital marketing strategy. First step is to set your goals. Setting your goals gives you clarity of what you want to achieve. So for this business that wants to increase sales by 20%, our digital marketing goal can be to increase conversion rate by 7% in the next quarter, because we believe if more customers convert, sales is going to increase. You get it now? It's very clear. So other type of goals can be increase in app downloads, increase in lead generation, increase in customer engagement, and many more. So the second step is to identify your audience. Identifying your audience is very, very important after setting your goals. So who are your customers? Where are they? And what message is going to attract them? So this helps you with segmentation, targeting, and positioning. So you position your message where they are. There are 4 ways you can identify your audience. You can identify them through demography, geography, psychography, and behavior. These are 4 ways you can identify your audience. The third step is to identify the digital marketing channels that you are going to use to reach your audience. So 3 is identify digital marketing channels. Why do you want to use Facebook or TikTok or Twitter or LinkedIn? Why do you want to use these channels? Because these are where your audience are located. So there are different types of digital marketing channels. We have email, we have social media, search engines, and influencers. Because you know with this platform, you can be able to reach your audience. So there are 4 factors to consider when identifying your channels. 1 is your budget. If you have a low budget, it means that you cannot spread it across all platforms. 2 is your audience. There are some platforms where some audience are located. For instance, if you're targeting young people, you might use TikTok and Instagram. The third one is your messaging. If you want to use video content, there are platforms that are better for video content. And 4 is your product or service based on what you're selling. For instance, if you're selling a professional training course, it's possible that LinkedIn is the best platform for you. So these are the 4 things to consider when choosing your digital marketing platforms. The 4th step is to perform a competitor analysis. This helps you to see what your competitors are doing well and also what they are not doing well. It also helps you to identify gaps in your strategy and also benchmark your efforts against other players in the industry. There are 3 ways you can perform competitor analysis. First one is SEO analysis. SEO stands for search engine optimization. So in SEO analysis, you do it to understand how their websites are optimized. So here you look at the backlinks, you look at the referrals, you look at how their websites open on desktop and on smartphones. So these are some of the things that you look at during SEO analysis. Number 2 is content audit. How do they develop their content? How do they craft their content? So here you go to their website, look at their blog section, look at their homepage. How does it look like? How are their contents developed? How does their videos and their images look like? The third one is social media audit. So here you go to their social media platform, look at the number of followers, posting rate. How do they post? 2 times a day, 3 times a day, or 5 times a week? These are some of the things you study, and also look at the engagement rates and response rates. So it helps you to benchmark your efforts against your competitors. The fifth one is to develop key messaging. Developing key messaging helps you to develop contents that are going to catch the attention of your audience. And also, when you develop key messaging, it has to be clear, concise, and consistent across all digital marketing platforms. So there are 4 points to consider when developing your messaging. Number one is your messaging must have your value proposition. What value are you adding to your audience or your customers? Number two is that your messaging must address the customer pain points. What are the customer problems you're trying to solve? It must be stated in your messaging. The third one is the content. If you want to do a how-to videos, what you're posting on Instagram will be different from what you're posting on YouTube and your website, because on Instagram, you might decide to create a 60-second reels. Then on YouTube, it might be more elaborate. Then on your website, you can add a picture and a blog post. Number four is that your messaging must be tailored according to your target audience. If you're targeting young people and working class professionals, the message for these two audience segments cannot be the same. So the last one is to set your budget. So let me fix it here. There is a little you can achieve when your budget is very small, and there is a lot you can achieve when your budget is very big. So the size of your budget determines how you can implement your digital marketing strategy. So there are 4 points to consider when setting your budget. Number one is the size of your business. Definitely, if your business operations is very small, there is no need for a big budget. And if your business operation is very big, definitely you need a big budget. Number two is your business goal. Let's say you want to increase sales by 20%, which implies that you have to increase customer acquisition by 10%. It means that your budget needs to realize these goals. Number three is the marketing channels. Some marketing channels are more expensive than others. For instance, if you want to use display ad or Google search ads or YouTube ad or social media ad, Instagram ad, you have to consider these marketing channels when you're setting your budget. And number four is your audience. Do you actually want to reach your audience on YouTube or on Instagram or on Facebook? You have to make sure that your budget allows you to reach this audience. So, in recap, if you want to develop an effective digital marketing strategy, you must identify your goals, identify the audience, the digital marketing channels, perform a competitor analysis, develop key messaging, and set your budget. When you do this, you are on your way to success. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.